For Livolt, a leader in sustainable engineering, their mission is global. They tackle complex projects from New York to the Middle East, helping property owners become more energy efficient. But with a distributed workforce spanning continents, their biggest challenge was finding the right technology to support their team. Their engineers required high computing power to run demanding applications such as CAD and BIM. The old way of doing things, shipping expensive, high-performance desktops around the world, was costly and completely impractical for a growing remote team. They needed a solution that was powerful, secure, and flexible. V2 Cloud provided an all-in-one solution that transformed Livolt's operations. Now, every engineer has instant access to a high-performance virtual desktop from any device, anywhere in the world. With V2 Cloud, Livolt's IT management became simple. All applications and data are centralized and secure, eliminating the risk of costly data breaches. And if a device fails, the team can restore their entire workspace in minutes, ensuring zero downtime. For an engineering firm where a single day of delay can cost tens of thousands of dollars, that peace of mind is invaluable. The impact was immediate. The team stopped worrying about hardware limitations and maintenance headaches. They can now onboard new team members instantly and scale our operations effortlessly. V2 Cloud gave Livolt the power to operate on a global scale with complete flexibility. Your team can achieve that too. Discover how V2 Cloud can help you build smarter, more efficient construction and engineering operations.